Hello everybody. I welcome you all to this module of Unit 3 Aryl Halides Part 2 section of General Chemistry 2 paper in the BSc Chemistry course at Dr. MGR Education and Research Institute. In the figure A, B and C, we can see halogen atom is directly attached to an aromatic ring. Aryl halides are compounds containing halogen atoms attached directly to an aromatic ring. The general formula of aryl halides is ArX, where X is the halogen atom and Ar is the phenyl group or substituted phenyl or a group derived from some other aromatic system like naphthalene. The nomenclature is followed as per IUPAC system. So by IUPAC we name the halogen atom first and then the arene system. So phenyl chloride is named as chlorobenzene, as we can see in the figure A, where chlorine is the halogen atom that is attached to the benzene ring. So it is chlorobenzene. In figure B we can see bromine attached to a CH3 attached to benzene system. So it is a toluene. So bromine is attached to a toluene system at the second position. So it is 2-bromotoluene. The third figure C, we can see 2 chlorine atoms attached to aromatic ring. So it is called as 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Now let us see the general preparation of aryl halides. Aryl halides can be prepared from arenes by the direct halogenation method in the presence of catalysts such as ferric chloride or ferric bromide. Aryl halides can also be prepared by Sandmeyer reaction, where aryl diazonium salts are decomposed in the presence of appropriate metal halides. Silver salts of carboxylic acids, when heated with the bromine, readily decarboxylates to aryl bromides. The fourth reaction given here is phthalation of arenes, where arene is first treated with the thallium trifluoroacetate and the product is reacted with potassium halide to give the respective aryl halide. The last reaction mentioned here is Ullmann reaction, where we get diaryls in a very good yield. Aryl halides are heated with the copper powder in a sealed test tube to give diaryls. Now let us see the general properties of aryl halides. They are generally colorless oils or crystalline solids, insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvents. The boiling points, melting points and densities rise gradually from fluoro to iodo compounds. They all show characteristic bands in the UV and IR spectra. In IR spectra, apart from the aromatic ring region, they give a characteristic band for the halogen atom also. The chemical properties of them are because of the presence of aromatic ring and the halogen atom. It undergoes electrophilic substitution readily than the nucleophilic substitution reactions which occur mostly in alkyl halides. Now the difference is because of the alkyl and aryl group attributes to the difference in electrophilic substitution and the nucleophilic substitution reactions. The CX bond in aryl halide is shorter and stronger than the CX bond in the alkyl halide. Strength can also be reached in following aspects also. The carbon attached to halogen is sp2 hybridized in aryl halide, whereas in the alkyl halide the carbon attached to halogen atom is sp3 hybridized. So since the S character is more in the sp2 hybridization, the bond is stronger in aryl halides compared to that of the S character in the sp3 hybridized of alkyl halide and the strength of it. The resonating structures arising because of the delocalization of pi electrons in the aromatic ring imparts a slight double character in the CX bond. This is another reason for the strength of the CX bond. The aromatic ring is rich in electrodensity, and so a nucleophile will not tend to approach the aromatic ring much easier. So the nucleophile will attack readily if a strong electron withdrawing group is attached to the ring or only in the drastic conditions like at high temperature or pressure. Few reactions of chlorobenzene are listed out here. Under nitration or bromination or sulfonation or alkylation, the product obtained of chlorobenzene are ortho and para substituted compounds. For example, under nitration using the reagent nitric acid and sulfuric acid, the product obtained are orthonitrochlorobenzene and para-nitrochlorobenzene. Similarly, using the reagent bromine and ferric bromide, bromination takes place at ortho and para position, so the products obtained are ortho-bromochlorobenzene and para-bromochlorobenzene. Using the reagent sulfuric acid and sulfur trioxide, sulfonation takes place at ortho and para position, so the product is chlorobenzene sulfonic acids. Chlorobenzene also undergoes alkylation using alkyl chloride and aluminum chloride, so the products will be ortho and para chlorotoluene in the presence of methyl chloride. Wurtz-Fittig reaction takes place here in presence of sodium and ether with a slight heating, so we get alkyl benzenes here. Chlorobenzene also undergoes Ullmann reaction in presence of nitro group in the ortho and para positions. So when copper is used here as a reagent and with mild heating, the product obtained are dinitrobiphenyls because we take nitro groups in the ortho and para positions of chlorobenzene. Grignard reagent can be prepared here using magnesium in presence of tetrahydrofuran or lithium in presence of tetrahydrofuran. So the products will be phenyl magnesium chloride and phenyl lithium chloride respectively for magnesium and lithium. Chlorobenzene also undergoes reduction in presence of nickel aluminum alloy or sodium hydroxide to give benzene. Nucleophilic substitution takes place here under only drastic conditions. So in presence of sodium hydroxide with the heat and pressure, they give sodium phenoxides. Amination takes place to give aniline using the reagent liquid ammonia with under heat and pressure conditions. Cyanation takes place in presence of potassium cyanide under heat and pressure to give benzonitrile. The chemical equations of these reactions are given in the part 3 video content of unit 3 alkyl halides. Now let us see some commercially important compounds of aryl halides. Of them, one is benzene hexachloride. In simple, it is called as BHC. So it is 6-chlorine substituted cyclohexane. It exists in 9 stereoisomeric forms due to different arrangements of hydrogen and chlorine on opposite sides of the plane of the benzene ring. Of them, the gamma isomer, called as gamaxane or lindane, is commercial because of its insecticidal property. The preparation of BHC is very simple, as by direct halogenation method. Treatment of benzene with excess of chlorine in presence of sunlight or UV light will give benzene hexachloride. The properties are: when BHC is warmed with alcoholic potash, 3 molecules of HCl is eliminated to form 1,2,4 trichlorobenzene. The uses is, as said earlier, it is commercially used as a powerful insecticide in the name of gamaxane or lindane. Of 9 stereoisomeric BHCs, the gamma isomer is very smaller comparatively, and so it can penetrate inside the cells more readily for antiseptic action. The structure of gamaxane is also given here in the chair form. One another important compound of aryl halide is DTT, which is dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. The preparation of DTT is when chlorobenzene is heated with chloral in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, DTT is formed. So we can see the equation here. CCl3CHO is the chloral, that is the trichloroacetaldehyde, with the 2 molecules of chlorobenzene in presence of sulfuric acid gives DDT. So dehydration takes place here. It is a condensation reaction and we get the DDT. The uses of DDT is known to many of us. It is an effective insecticide, especially for mosquitoes, flies and crop pets. It is responsible for eradication of malaria carrying mosquitoes. Since it is toxic to human and several species of birds and aquatic animals, it has been banned in many countries including USA. So this is the disadvantage of using a DDT. The chemical equations of preparation of aryl halides are listed out here. First chemical equation is the method for direct halogenation of arenes, where the example given here is chlorination of benzene in presence of ferric chloride to give chlorobenzene. The byproduct is hydrogen chloride. The second reaction is Sandmeyer reaction, where benzene diazonium chloride C6H5N2Cl is treated with CuCl copper chloride, and a mild heating gives chlorobenzene and nitrogen. The third reaction here is silver benzoate, that is C6H5COOAg, with chlorine in presence of CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride, gives chlorobenzene, and the byproducts are silver chloride and carbon dioxide. The fourth reaction is Ullmann reaction, where we can prepare biphenyls here or substituted biphenyls. The fifth reaction pertains to the preparation of aryl iodide, where benzene can be iodized using mercuric oxide and iodine to give iodobenzene and mercuric hydroxide. We have come to end of this part 2 of unit 3. In part 1 of unit 3, we saw alkyl halides preparation, properties and uses. In this part 2 of unit 3, we saw the preparation, properties of aryl halides and some uses of DDT and BHC like aryl halides. In part 3 of unit 3, which is going to be the last part of this unit 3, we will see alkyl halides and aryl halides comparison and few chemical equations pertaining to them. The references used to prepare this video is being listed out in the first slide. For further reading, please refer to many more textbooks of organic chemistry. Thank you so much.